so surreal when your best friend has their first baby, especially when she's like the first one in our group to give birth and have a child. I'm actually about to head down to the Twin Cities to go see my best friend and meet her new baby, and I'm so excited. So excited. It's just like such a weird feeling. Like you never feel like you're old enough to start a family. Like you're always like, oh, maybe like when I'm older, and then you realize I'm actually there. Like we're at that age. And then we met in college, and like she was my beer pong partner. Like we had such like wild fun nights together, and now this person is becoming a mom, and she's gonna be like a phenomenal mom. I already know, but I can't wait to meet her baby. His name is Tatum, and I cannot wait to see Ash. I've got like a 3-hour drive ahead of me, so I will see you guys in a few hours. Look at these two baby fawns on my road as I'm leaving. So cute. So unfortunately there's a slight change of plans. I was just getting gas and I just talked to Ash, and she's got some kind of infection and is very sick and is contagious, so I don't get to see her this weekend or meet her baby. But that's okay. I'm still gonna go see my sister, and I've also got my hair appointment on Monday. I'm so excited to get my hair done. So bummer, but I'm still gonna make the best of this weekend. I think tomorrow we're gonna do some shopping. Okay, just got to the cities. I'm stopping at Plato's Closet, and I'm hoping they'll give me a good amount of money. They normally don't, but if you guys have ever been to Plato's Closet, you know they kind of stiff you, I feel like, but fingers crossed. I just got to my sister's. I stopped for lunch at Cafe Zupas. If you've never been there, their lobster bisque is to die for. Oh my gosh, so good. And then I had like the barbecue brisket sandwich. Amazing. And I have a time to kill because the wait at Plato's Closet, there is like 29 other people ahead of me, so I'll probably be able to go back at like 7 p.m. tonight, like late. So I have some time to kill because I was supposed to be at Ash's, hanging out with her and baby. So I'm just hanging out with my sisters. They're all at the state fair, her and her friends. So I went and got crumbl. If you haven't had crumbl, you're missing out. But I thought we would do a little taste test. So the flavors, I need to look them up really fast. First flavor is the semi-sweet chocolate chunk. And it looks like they even put a little bit of like salt on it. It looks amazing. All right, here we go. Fantastic. I actually love when they put salt on cookies. I don't know, like salted and sweet together is so good. 10 out of 10. Oh, it just like melts in your mouth. Okay, next is the strawberry crumb cake. So it's a warm buttery strawberry cookie lathered in a sweet milky glaze and topped with a pop of strawberry vanilla streusel. I feel like it doesn't really look like the picture. I feel like they gypped me on the topping, but we'll try it. Still amazing. I wish there was a little bit more topping on that one. I'll give that one an 8 out of 10. But I do like that it's not overly sweet. Like sometimes with their cereal flavors, if you've tried those, they're too sweet. I don't know, but this one was like perfect. I just wish there was a little bit more topping to it. Okay, next we've got, I have high hopes for this one, berries and cream, which is a tango of strawberries and blueberries topped with a cool whipped cream and a smothering of blueberry jam. This one looks bomb. I definitely got a good amount of topping on this one. Please be good. Oh my gosh, amazing. That one is chilled. Like the other ones are warm, but I like when they do chilled cookies. It's kind of just like a different sensation from all of the warm ones. That one is very good. 10 out of 10. Next we've got chocolate cake. Warm chocolate cookie topped with smooth chocolate fudge frosting and shaved chocolate curls. This looks really good. Oh wow. I'm a big chocolate girl. All right, here we go.
Wow. That one is very rich. I feel like I could only have like 2 bites of that and I'd be good for like the rest of the day. It is amazing, and that's like almost like not a ganache, I guess it is fudge frosting, but like the topping is really thick, which I love. It actually tastes like a chocolate cake. 10 out of 10. Honestly, 11 out of 10. That one was really good. 2 left. Next up is Cinnamon Crunch, a warm cinnamon cookie topped with vanilla cream cheese glaze, crunchy cinnamon cereal streusel, and a dusting of cinnamon sugar. I'm a huge fan of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so I think I'm gonna love this one. Again though, I like the topping, so like that's what it looks like. It's like more like fully covered with the white frosting, and then they gypped me again. Like I have just like a tiny little bit of frosting. Okay, well, let's try it. It's really good, and I get where they're going with it, but I think it needs that frosting on top, because it's almost like the cereal is the cookie and like the milk is like that frosting layer, and then just they didn't put enough on. I could have given it a 10, but I think without the frosting, I think with the minimal frosting, I'm gonna go with an 8. So it's the M&M's original featuring peanut butter. Oh, featuring peanut butter M&M's candies. It's our warm classic cookie stuffed with creamy peanut butter and bursting with peanut butter M&M candies. Yum. All right. She looks pretty good. Oh, I'm getting messy. Need a napkin. Looks good. Wow. That one is just a classic. So good. I love peanut butter. I'm gonna go 9 out of 10. Overall, it was a great week to go get the crumbl flavors. Sorry, by the time I post this, it's gonna be whole new flavors. My bad. But wow, these were really good. I need to go wash my hands. And I still have a lot more time to kill. I probably should get some work done. So I'm actually in my old bedroom right now at my sister's house. I used to live here, but there's not really like a bed or anything. There's a mattress, but there's not like a bed. So I'm just like sitting on a mattress on the floor, working. I'm using, here, I'll show you. I'm using this random box just to get some work done. So I actually have a couple different like side hustles besides content creation. I do have my full-time corporate job, but aside from content creation, I also build like Squarespace websites for local businesses near me. I also do my boyfriend's, his social media. I made and manage his website, and I also run his Google page and manage his Google SEO. And so lately I've started like expanding that just to like some other businesses, because eventually my plan is to not have to work a corporate job at all. I'd rather just work for myself and like, I mean, branch out and do multiple kinds of social media, as well as building websites, running Google pages, that kind of thing, because honestly it can be very lucrative. I'm almost there, I think. As far as like finances go, I'd love to be able to just replace my corporate salary with content creation, which I haven't, I feel like, even like tried to reach out to a lot of brands to work with them. I honestly just take like whatever collaboration emails I get and I work with those brands. I just got back from Plato's Closet. Actually wasn't as bad as I was expecting. They took 24 of my items, and mind you, being like a content creator influencer, a lot of it still had tags on it. They took 24 items and I got 80 bucks. I know at least the shoes are probably worth just that much, but whatever, I will take it. I'm not complaining. Honestly, it's easier just to bring a bunch of my clothes to Plato's than trying to like sell it on my Instagram page or on Poshmark. It just takes so much time to take pictures. I feel like it's just time I could use to do something else way more productive. Good morning, happy Sunday. Here's the outfit of the day. No, my favorite one is called Fleur Narcatique. Not narcolepsy. Narcatique or something. It's like a Parisian brand. They sent it to me, but then I was gonna go to buy it, and I was like, oh my god, it's like $150. But it was really good. I liked it. How's that going? Are we still shopping today? Okay. Hard lights? Yeah. Okay.
Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
Quick outfit of the day check. And my new favorite Amazon shoes. Oh my god, I just opened my car, you guys. I don't know how a grasshopper is in here. What do I do? Okay, I'm gonna try to get it out. Okay. Slight panic attack. Okay, so anyway, now that that scare is over, I don't know how the heck a grasshopper got in my car. Anyway, it is the best day of the year. I'm so excited. It is hair day, and I'm going to go super, super blonde. I'll show you the reference picture I'm gonna use. This is Delaney Child's hair. I am obsessed with this color. So I'm gonna see if we can get my hair this blonde. So heading to the salon now, and I'm running late.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do.
I'm so blonde. It's perfect. I love it. It's so blonde. It's like perfect.
Good. You had no weave.
I love it.
Went for it. Okay.
I love my hair so much. I can't stop playing with it. It's so blonde. Literally perfect. I love it. Okay, and now I'm gonna go pick up some sushi to bring back home for dinner. The stuff is amazing if you haven't tried it. Okay, I'm gonna order from Benihana's. I'm gonna do spicy edamame. So good. Probably just a bunch of sushi. Ooh. Let's go spicy tuna for Chad. That one's his favorite. Spicy salmon for me. That's my favorite. And then maybe like a fried one. Gojira roll. Chimp tempura, crab mix, cream cheese, cucumber, topped with spicy tuna. I feel like that one's good. Okay, we'll try that. Add to order. And then I feel like rice would be good. Or nigiri.
do salmon. Okay, and then, what did I say? Rice. Where's rice? Oh, hibachi, chicken, rice, serves too. Perfect, add to order. All right, please don't take that long. In 40 minutes. Really hope it doesn't take that long. Okay, we'll do it. Place order. I was hoping to get out of here sooner. So now do I go back to my sister's for a little while, or do I just go there and sit and wait for it? That honestly might be what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm gonna go pick up sushi and then I'm gonna drive home. I miss my honey and my animals, so I'm excited to see them, but it was such a fun weekend and I love my hair.